I'll share some often overlooked and hidden advice that can completely transform your skin from dull to glowing. These are tips most people don't talk about, but they make all the difference. Let's start with liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body, and when it is overwhelmed with unhealthy foods, it can struggle to function properly. I learned this the hard way. There was a time when my diet was filled with junk foods and preservatives and my liver took the hit. My skin became dull and gray and I felt sluggish overall. To support liver function, I made some essential changes. I swapped out processed foods for more nutrient-rich options like leafy greens, berries, salmon, and smoothies, which are known to help detoxify the liver. Incorporating these foods not only improved my liver health but also breathed new life into my skin, making it look brighter and more vibrant. When the liver is happy, the skin reflects that health beautifully. Let's talk about indigestion. When digestion isn't running smoothly, the skin usually shows it. Reducing indigestion by eating foods that are easy on the gut, like fermented foods or digestive enzymes, will naturally improve skin health. During my years of struggling with indigestion and acid reflux, my skin looked dull, gray, and lifeless. It was a reflection of what was happening inside my body. Once I focused on improving my digestion, the change was remarkable. My skin regained its vitality and glow. Let me talk about something important: preservatives and additives. Processed foods loaded with these chemicals can literally make you unattractive. They don't just affect your body, they push you toward your worst looking version. These substances can cause inflammation and disrupt the balance of your skin, leading to breakouts, dullness, and even premature aging. By removing preservatives from your diet, you're taking a significant step toward revitalizing your complexion. Processed foods loaded with preservatives can negatively impact the skin, causing it to appear dull and lifeless over time. Instead, focus on fresh, whole foods that nourish your body and skin. Next up is sun protection. It is not just about avoiding sunburn. Long-term sun exposure is one of the biggest culprits behind dull, aging skin. Even when it is cloudy, UV rays can damage the skin. Applying sunscreen daily is a simple but powerful step toward keeping skin youthful and radiant. Another factor to consider is hydration. Drinking enough water is step one, but don't forget about using a good moisturizer to lock in hydration. A moisturizer with hyaluronic acid is particularly effective for that extra boost of moisture. Gentle exfoliation can work wonders too. By removing dead skin cells, exfoliation allows new, fresh skin to shine through. Just remember, overdoing it can strip the skin of its natural oils, so exfoliating once or twice a week is plenty. Now, let's talk about superfoods. Foods like blueberries, acai berries, cherries, chia seeds, avocados, and salmon are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins that nourish the skin from the inside out. These foods fight inflammation, promote collagen production, and keep the skin plump and hydrated. For example, salmon is rich in omega-3s, essential for keeping skin moisturized and glowing. Chia seeds and avocados provide healthy fats that keep skin supple, while berries are loaded with antioxidants that help repair skin cells and combat damage. Lastly, let's not forget about sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is crucial for skin health, and going to bed early can make a significant difference. During the night, the body repairs itself, and that includes the skin. Aim for 8 hours of sleep and try to hit the pillow early to give your body the time it needs to heal and rejuvenate. When you wake up after a good night's sleep, your skin will look refreshed and bright. Think of sleep as the ultimate skin repair tool. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.